Karibu sana mtazamaji na msikilizaji wa FM Show KE, na kwa sasa tunakuletea stori aswa kuhusiana na matukio ambayo yanatarajiwa kutendeka hapo kesho katika maandamano ambayo yametishia kuweza kufunga nchi yote nzima ya Kenya kwa jumla. Kumbuka kesho #Occupy JKIA ambayo ndio Jomo Kenyatta International Airport ulio ndio uwanja mkubwa wa ndege zaidi Afrika ya Kati na Mashariki. Afrika Mashariki na Kati ni JKIA. Na kesho Gen Z wameamua ya kwamba you know what? It's not going to be business as usual. And this is called the Kenya Airport Authority to give a statement in regards to what is expected to happen tomorrow at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Now, happening now at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport in Nairobi, the government has deployed heavy security ahead of protest by the youths tomorrow, with the Kenya Airport Authority KIA advising passengers to arrive early. Now, according to the information shared by Kenya Airport Authority, the security is heightened, including protocols, and now passengers planning to travel through the airport have been told to arrive early to avoid any potential delays in catching their flights. And I shall quote them. The Kenya Airports Authority says, the KIA passenger notice. Due to heightened security checks and protocols at JKIA, passengers are advised to arrive at the airport early to avoid any potential delays in catching their flights. Kindly contact your respective airline for the latest flight information. Safe arrivals. Now, youths have threatened to storm the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport tomorrow as the demons of the Gen Zs now threaten to disrupt the international airport. And this is supposed to act as a warning to the President of the Republic of Kenya. The head of state, President William Ruto, yesterday, while in Bomet County, warned that his government will use all the available means to protect life, property, and stop anarchy, where he said they are ready to crush Gen Zs. Are you getting the point of where we are coming from? Yes, that's what's up. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, FM Show KE, as we keep you updated with the latest development in our country.